Hi, welcome to the Iron Tech, and this is also good video. Why? Because Twitch service is also demanding at different platforms, freelancing, Upwork, and much more. If you are lover of the Twitch services, you are going to grow your channels, your accounts, then this is the best platform, best website, parksocialpanel.com. You should come here. Category Twitch services. In order services, there are multiple services related to the Twitch services, like followers speed is a different 1k per day, 5k per day, 40k per day, 20k per day, and 15k per day, 1000k per day. That's interesting. Twitch live stream for 15 minutes, instant complete. Twitch live video views, 2k per day within 20 minutes and 10 minutes. Let's see the other important descriptions of first ID. The minimum amount you can see just 20. In 250, the minimum amount is also 20. 251, minimum amount is also 20. Twitch followers, the minimum amount of 20. Almost every service of Twitch followers has minimum amount of 20, but here is 50. Then Twitch followers, there is minimum amount of 20, highly recommended because it's very fast. Live stream views, minimum amount is 10. Then the live video views, minimum amount is also 10. Then Twitch live video views, there is minimum amount of 5, and the quantity of 1000 is $2.03. You should come here, place the link, quantity, and get the service. I hope you like this video. Share with your friends, family, and see you next time. Goodbye.